Hi, I'm Paul Wheeler with the Accent Realtors team. In the next few minutes, I am going to give you an overview of the real estate market for 2021 and then pull out the crystal ball and give you my projections for 2022. So hang on, it's been a fun market, the most interesting market I've ever seen in my 30 years in the business. So let's jump right in. So for the last couple of years, it's definitely been interesting with COVID and rising interest rates and increased buyer demand and lowering inventory. It's just been the strangest market I've ever seen. It was still really active though. We finished last year with more sales than we had in the previous year, and that is an 11-year run on our sales since the subprime mortgage scandal. So more and more sales every year. Prices in our market increased about 10%. Nationally, they increased about 18%. So that's amazing. That is definitely a seller's market. Inventory, as I said, came down. It came down another 20%, which makes it a strong buyer or a strong seller market. Our average price increased to about $250,000 in our market. When I started 30 years ago, it was about $100,000. So appreciation is a wonderful thing, and it makes real estate a great investment as always. Property management is something else we do, and we've seen rental increases of about 10 to 20% in some cases. And that reminds me, it's another reason to buy a home. When you buy a home, you create a fixed cost situation, and owning a home is one of the best hedges against inflation. And if you're renting, you're at the mercy of the market, and rents are definitely increasing. Rates are increasing as well, and they're expected to be about 4% by the end of the year. At least that's what the economists say. We never know. They're working off the same crystal ball I am. But if we increase in our price range 1%, that adds $50,000 over the term of the loan in your cost for that house. So it's significant. So that means it's a great time to buy too when rates are really low. So as a recap, it's a great time to sell because of a low inventory and strong buyer demand. It is a great time to buy because of low interest rates. We're down between 3 and 4 right now. I think the first place I bought when I was back in college, the interest rate was 11%. So I think over the next several years, Tulsa's future is going to be really bright, and we're going to have a really strong real estate market. On a side note, it's interesting, our population has topped 1 million in our metro area. And our metro area is several counties, but we finally hit that. I think it was as of last year. And there are several reasons for that. We have an award-winning chamber that continues to work on economic development and do great things for Tulsa. We have Tulsa Remote. It's giving people $10,000 a pop to move into the Tulsa area. Thank you, George Kaiser. We still have downtown development. We have the Gathering Place. Thank you again, George Kaiser. And we have an amazing cost of living. So Tulsa is a great place to live. So all economic indicators again say this year is going to be a strong market. In the next several years, I'm guesstimating 10 will be great for real estate. So if you are thinking about buying or selling, or would like a free market value on your property, please give us a call. You can reach us at 918-665-8559 or email me at paulwheeler@accentrealtors.com. And we look forward to serving you and seeing you this upcoming year. Stay tuned for all of our fun events, and we're grateful for all of the referrals you send us. So make it a great year. Paul Wheeler, Accent Realtors. See you soon.